Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be finally unboxing my Paris purchases. Yay! I have some Louis, Fendi, Dior, so I can't wait to show you what I got, how much I saved, because I did save up quite a bit, but I'll talk about this later on in the video. So if you're interested, keep watching. There are also 3 Paris vlogs up on my channel already, so in case you've missed them, I'll link them in the description box. We did some shopping on Avenue Montaigne. I showed you the new renovated huge Dior boutique where I picked up some of the goodies. I also showed you my daily outfits in one of the vlogs, what we did, some delicious food and beautiful restaurants, and also we went to Hermes. I showed you Hermes with prices, some Kellys, Birkins, some really beautiful special edition bags, and of course we had to visit my favorite Chanel Rue Cambon as well. So if you're interested to check out those vlogs as well, I will link them down below in the description and up here. So yeah, let's get started with today's unboxing. Alright, so I think I will start with Dior because this is actually the first item that I got. So I actually removed all the packaging because I didn't have any space in my suitcase, so I chucked all the boxes, all the packaging, everything. But for the purpose of this video, because it's an unboxing, I found some bags that I had at home. So here it is. I got this amazing, I tried this on by the way in the vlog, so if you've watched the vlog you would have seen this already, but yes, I picked up this beautiful cashmere jumper from Dior. Actually, when I was showing you this in the vlog, I did mention it was navy blue. It turned out it is actually black. I kept saying it's navy blue and my mom was like, this is not navy blue, it's black. So I looked at the tag and yeah, it is black. But maybe because of the lighting inside of the boutique and because they actually had the exact same one but a short-sleeved version in navy blue, maybe that's why I thought this was navy as well. But anyway, I really like it. It is so soft, and actually this is the lighter version of this jumper. There is a much thicker, warmer version. It is exactly the same, but the knit on the other one was much thicker, so I preferred this lighter one. I also decided to go a size up just because I wanted that more relaxed look. There are some buttons up here, and I think there are some... Oh yeah, it says Christian Dior on the buttons. I will insert some close-up so you can see. It is definitely a bit more casual, I would say, and I love the length. It is slightly longer as well. So yeah, I will definitely get a lot of wear out of this. I actually already wore it on the Eurostar. It was really cold in the evening. We traveled in the evening, so I removed the tags, I put it on, and I wore it actually the same day because I bought it on the last day. And yeah, we had to catch the train. And yeah, I put this on. It was so comfy and cozy to travel in, so I really liked it. It's not itchy at all, and I can't remember the price. I saved up quite a bit. Dior is cheaper in Paris, definitely it's cheaper in euros, plus you get 12% back, which was amazing, so yay. So after Dior we popped into Fendi and we checked out the new Fendi collection. I'm not a huge fan, I'm not gonna lie. There are some pieces that are okay, but it's not my cup of tea. And I love Fendi ready to wear. I'm not really a huge fan of collabs, designer collaborations, so I just prefer to buy either just Fendi or just Versace, so I passed on the Fendi collection. So you guys saw I tried on some jackets. I couldn't decide which jacket I liked more, and I needed some time to think, and I was like, I'm just gonna think about it, come back later, but we didn't have time. I ended up buying these. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh my god, I love them. So these are a pair of trousers, silk trousers with the Zucca monogram print, the classic Fendi print, and I really like them. They have pockets, they are so lightweight, and because summer is coming, it was actually very hot in Paris. I decided to go for these. I didn't even think about it. I saw them, I tried them on, I loved them, and I was like, yep, I'm getting those. I'm not gonna lie, I keep thinking about that jacket and I kind of want to get both of them. I just can't decide which one I like more. If you've watched the vlog, let me know which one was your favorite down below in the comment section. Do you prefer the classic Zucca print or the pink one? Yeah, I kind of wish I bought at least one because, as I mentioned, it is much cheaper in Paris. Although Fendi prices weren't as cheap as Dior, I would say. The price difference wasn't as big, so I would say I still saved up quite a bit and I got my tax back, which is 12%. So basically when you go to the Eurostar or airport, you scan your tax return form and you get your money back. So yeah, these are the trousers. I really love them, very classic. I'm gonna pull them out year after year in the summer. I have a similar pair from Dior. You might have seen me wear those in my second Paris vlog, so I will link it above. I love them in the summer. They are so comfy, very airy, so I'm glad I got another pair, similar pair. And actually these I can even wear in the autumn, I would say. I can definitely pull my leather jacket out. I think these will look fabulous styled with my Barman leather jacket, a pair of ankle boots. These are slightly cropped, so they'll look amazing with a heeled pair of ankle boots as well. So really love them. Next is a Louis, so let's start with Louis. I purchased 2 items from Louis. So we have some samples, perfume samples. I have so many of these, but I love them. I collect them. I don't know why I need so many, but they always give me little samples. So yeah. Then we have the first item. Actually, I haven't unboxed this yet. I tried it on at the store and I haven't unboxed yet. I got the box with me because it was a small box, so I had that much space. But it is one of the drawer boxes. Ta-da! In here we have this case. You can tell what's inside already, I'm sure. Oh, I really love this box. It's so pretty. I really like it. Inside, a little dust bag, and we have a pair of sunnies I picked up. Wait until you see these. These are so gorgeous. Oh my god, check these out. I love the shape. I've forgotten how beautiful these are. Let me try them on. Here they are. Aren't they amazing? I love them. I love the frame, very simple, very lightweight. I love Louis Vuitton sunglasses, but most of their sunglasses are so heavy. The frames are so heavy. So every time I go, I try on their sunglasses, I browse them online, and there is always 1 or 2 pairs that I absolutely love, but every time I go try them on, they're super heavy and I can't wear heavy sunglasses. They're just not comfortable. So this is actually my first pair of Louis sunnies and I'm so glad I finally found a pair that I can wear. I really like them. These come in rose gold. I tried on the rose gold, but they didn't really suit me as much, and I just fell in love with these gold ones. I loved the frame with the little LVs. It's like a beautiful chain with the flower detail, the LV logo. I will insert a close-up so you can see. I love everything about them. I love the shape. The color of the lens is so beautiful as well. You can definitely tell they're really good quality, and also the attention to detail, exceptional. But yeah, I'm so glad I finally found a pair that is light, I can wear every day. Love that they're simple, and I think this shape will suit so many face shapes as well. I think it will be very flattering on many different face shapes. Really love them. Definitely check them out. And also, by the way, oh my god, the packaging is amazing as well. It looks like a little trunk. Can you guys see? Love it. This is so heavy. So in here, can you guys tell what's in here? Let's see how many of you can guess. Let's open it up quickly. Okay, so in here we have, look at the presentation. Look at the packaging in the presentation. It is so beautiful. So in here we have 2 little samples, perfume samples. They actually gave me another one of these, so more samples. But this, guys, is the new City of Stars perfume. This has been so popular. Actually, they told me it was sold out for the longest time after the launch. It is one of their most popular fragrances. It is a new launch, actually. So this is the packaging. I love the packaging. Let me success, it is out. And this is how it looks. I love the color, it's purple. This is my second Louis fragrance. My other favorite is, oh, what was the name of it? Something garden, was it? No, cactus. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot the name of my favorite Louis Vuitton perfume. Ooh, I remember, Cactus Garden. Yes, Cactus Garden. I'm sure it was Cactus Garden. Back to City of Stars. It is actually a celebration of LA's magical lure from dusk to dawn. So I love that description. Actually, I smelled this perfume first here in the UK. Then I purchased something and they gave me the little sample. Oh, actually, I purchased the Undergo, the pastel Undergo and the sandals. I'll make sure I link that unboxing above. And they gave me a little sample of this perfume. I loved it. So then, of course, I wanted to buy it and guess what? It was sold out. I was like, ah, what a bummer. Of course it's sold out. And yeah, I've been waiting for them to restock. We went to Paris, they told me it was sold out for the longest time there as well. It's been selling really well. It is such a lovely scent, guys, but I'm glad I managed to get one of these. Really love the ombre bottle. By the way, these are refillable. There is also a larger, I think this is it 100 ml? Yeah, this is 100 ml. They also have 200 ml larger bottle. These are refillable and they can also engrave the bottles. They can put your initials, but yeah, I didn't do that. So let me actually have a look online. It smells like, okay, here are the key notes. We have blood orange, lemon, red mandarin, lime, something that I can't read, tiare accord. So yeah, it is such a fresh scent. I really like it. It's very unique. You can smell the citrus, but it's not too much. It's very, very light citrusy scent. It's it's a bit more floral, very fresh smell. I don't know, I'm really bad at describing scents, but if you get the chance, definitely when you go to a Louis boutique, definitely check this one out. I think you will love it. So this is my new favorite fragrance. Oh, by the way, guys, you can buy one of the sleeves for these fragrances. I'll insert a picture here. So they look like this, but a bit bigger. So they're like travel cases for your fragrances, and they have so many beautiful prints. They recently launched the pastel one, which is also pretty. I'm a bit tempted to get that one, but on the other hand, why do I need a sleeve for my fragrance? I have so many of these little samples. I probably won't even bring the perfume with me when I travel, but they do have travel cases if you're interested. They're very, very cute. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Paris unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is this one here, where you can see my daily outfits, how I style my new purchases. I give you some outfit inspo, so come say hi on my Instagram. I would love to see you there as well. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you very, very soon in my next vlog. Bye guys.